Another day, another space event. Welcome everyone to the first day, or should I say second day, it's a bit unclear, of the software-defined space conference here in Tallinn in Estonia. And officially this is day one. Yesterday we had a few workshops, but this is the real kickoff of the actual event. And it is a full program today. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. We finish at 11, and some people say we finish at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to make that. Anyway, let's delve into some of the highlights that we're going to see today. In fact, there's not one event happening, there's two events happening. There's two parallel tracks. Of course, there's the conference itself, the Software-Defined Space Conference, that will happen here on stage behind me in this beautiful venue here in Old Town Tallinn. But there's a second event. There's the, and I had to write this down, the Space System Software Security Testing Competition. And this is nothing else but a cybersecurity test. We have a few hackers here, and I will interview one of them later, that are competing against each other in a, well, literally hackathon here today. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be starting this morning, and we're going to see the results of this in the afternoon. But we have a lot more. We have two keynotes by two key players in the European satellite industry. First of all, Laurent Javard of the European Space Agency Connectivity and Secure Communications Directorate, who is going to talk about the role of ESA in cybersecurity, and we saw some of that yesterday already. And we have Rodrigo da Costa of EUSPA, who is going to give us the view from the European Commission. Then, what topics are we going to see today? There's quite a few. First of all, we're going to talk about new space policy initiatives by the European Space Policy Institute and by the European Space Agency. We're going to talk about space and cybersecurity laws in Europe. And again, yesterday we had a really good introductory workshops into what space law is, and today we're delving a little bit deeper into what that means for cybersecurity. We're going to look at the role of artificial intelligence and in software-defined space, because AI is playing an increasing role, and what does that mean to cybersecurity? We're going to talk about innovation. We're going to talk about cybersecurity and space tech-based services, and we're going to see what that all means. And then we also have a special intermezzo right in the middle. We're going to meet Estonia's first 4 astronauts. Astronauts with an E for Estonia. That's going to be an interesting one. I am really curious to see what that means, but we're going to meet Estonia's first astronauts. And then, at the end of the day, we're going to a place called Hellhund. Sounds a bit scary, but that's where the social event and the networking will be happening, just down the street here in beautiful Old Town Tallinn. So a full program today, and I will take you through in little steps by doing interviews. You can follow the program on the website sdsc.ee, and of course on social media under hashtag SDSC 2024. I'm looking forward to telling you more about this during the day, and we're about to start, so I'll see you later. Bye-bye.